As a business owner, you probably have not much time. So it would be a good idea to have a ChatGPT version that actually delivers facts and not fluff. So you can build something like this on your own AI server. Let's see how that looks like. Let's look at a very simple solution with memory. So you can chat with OpenAI, which is the vendor who invented ChatGPT. And we can pick any of the models that are available. This one is a new one. It's called GPT-4.0 Mini and it's very cheap. I have set the temperature to 0.3, so it's not that creative. And we will get more facts than fiction. This is a buffer memory component, which is the brain that stores the conversation. And here we have a simple chat prompt template saying you need to answer questions in lowercase letters. And all these components are combined to a conversation chain. So let's save this. Now I'm able to change some of the settings here. I can make it public and I can copy this link and open it in a new browser window. You see it says it's my assistant. Let's call it Ray's assistant and save it. And when I refresh, it should be able to show up with the right settings. Now let's ask it a question. Who is Donald Trump? And we should get an answer. Here it is. It's all in lowercase. Now let's change the prompt template and make it uppercase. I need to save here. I need to save there. Let's clear the chat or reload the page with the F5 key. And I ask who is Joe Biden. And this time I get the answer in uppercase letters. So my very simple chat prompt template and my memory bot work. And the good thing is it took us about 3 minutes. And this solution is supported for every device in the world which is able to use a web browser. Since 2014, I have taught thousands of people how to create automated trading systems. And now we do 20 business automation servers at a time. We will pay for the first month. We will do the setup and the programming. And if you want one, just click on the link below.